Let's get started. 12 benefits of lemons you don't know about. Lemon is an acidic fruit that is part of the diet of many people around the world. I will now introduce you to the main benefits of lemons. This citrus fruit has a special taste that goes well with many drinks and dishes. In addition, it has many nutritional benefits that make it one of the best allies for health. Here we invite you to discover the main benefits of lemon. This citrus fruit has a special taste that goes perfectly with many drinks and dishes. In addition, it has many nutritional benefits that make it one of the best allies for health. Here we invite you to discover the main benefits of lemon. Lemons are best known for their high content of vitamin C, B vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and fiber. It has been used as a medicinal remedy since ancient times, and today many scientific studies praise its merits. One of the main benefits of lemon is its ability to alkalize the body and thus regulate the pH. 1. Lemon is a diuretic. Thanks to its high content of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, lemons are a diuretic food that helps eliminate fluids and toxic substances retained in the body. Thanks to this benefit, lemons are effective in cleansing the body and preventing many diseases. 2. Lemon purifies the blood. The antioxidants present in lemons help to clean the arteries and purify the blood. It facilitates the elimination of waste and toxic substances from the bloodstream, thus preventing diseases related to the circulatory and cardiovascular system. This citrus fruit also helps to cure diseases such as cholera and malaria. 3. Lemon lowers fever. Drinking hot water with lemon is ideal for controlling fever in cases of flu or colds. This remedy helps to strengthen the immune system and reduces body temperature, as it increases sweating. 4. Lemon fights high blood pressure. People with high blood pressure who drink lemon water frequently significantly reduce this problem. This is due to its high potassium content, which helps to combat water retention and thus reduce high blood pressure. 5. Lemon treats throat infections. Lemon is known for its antibiotic and antiviral properties, which can help fight different types of infection. In the case of throat infections, lemon is a good treatment that can be used and applied in different ways. The first option is to prepare a warm lemon tea and sip it. The other option is to gargle with the lemon juice. This remedy should be performed several times a day to effectively fight the infection. 6. Lemon fights respiratory problems. Thanks to its high vitamin C content and antibiotic properties, lemon is also one of the best allies for respiratory health. This fruit can help clean the airways and thus help the immune system to cope with respiratory diseases such as asthma or bronchitis. 7. Lemon is rich in antioxidants. Lemons contain vitamin C and other important antioxidants that help fight free radicals. In addition, it is an excellent ally in preventing premature aging. 8. Lemon cures stomach problems. One of the best-known benefits of lemons is that they help to regulate the body's pH level and thus combat various stomach ailments, such as stomach parasites, nausea, acidity, bloating, constipation, indigestion. 9. Weight loss is one of the benefits of lemon. People who adopt healthy lifestyle habits to lose weight should include more lemon in their daily diet. This citrus fruit helps to reduce body fat, eliminates toxic substances from the body and makes you feel full. In this case, it is advisable to drink lemon water on an empty stomach. 10. Lemon is good for your teeth. The benefits of lemon also apply to the teeth. Lemon juice can help reduce toothache when applied directly to the sore area. It is also effective for bleeding gums, whitening teeth and fighting bad breath. 11. Lemon makes hair radiant. Lemon is an excellent hair and scalp beauty. Lemon juice helps to clean the scalp and prevents dandruff. Besides, it works as a natural hair lightener, improves the texture of hair and helps to enhance its shine. 12. Lemon for healthy skin. Daily consumption of lemon helps to improve the appearance of the skin, making it healthier, more radiant and younger. In addition, we can apply it topically to treat skin infections, acne, excess oil on the skin, scars and spots. In these cases, it should be applied in the evening because if you expose yourself to the sun, the lemon could stain your skin. Thank you for following. Enjoy nature.